Welcome you everyone. In this video, I will explain how to do the dynamic routing protocol for a large network using 6 local area networks using the Cisco Packet Tracer software. This is the final diagram of the network. I used 6 local area networks. IP addresses of each networks are indicated in the figure. In the previous video, I explained about how to do the dynamic routing for a small network using 3 local area networks. Now let's move to the Packet Tracer software simulation. In this video also I am using Packet Tracer version 8.2.1. I already created the 6 local area networks. These are the 6 local area networks including routers. I configured all the networks for each PC, IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. This is the 192.168.1.0 network. This one 2.0 network. This one 3.0, 4.0, 5.0 and 6.0. So the next thing is configure the routers. First, we have to establish the physical connection between each routers. For that one, I go to the router. In the physical layer, we have to add serial ports. Then I switch off the router. Click WIC2T at that port and switch on. I do same process to all 6 routers. Then switch on. Physical layer, switch off. Physical layout, switch off. WIC2T, drag and drop, switch on. Now we have to connect those router using serial DTE cable. Serial 0/0/0 port. Now the physical configuration is finished. Then I go to the router configuration and enable serial ports and assign IP addresses. Serial port 1 is connected with router 1. Then I add 10.10.1.2 IP address. I will do the same process for other router. I mention each IP address for each serial port. 10.10.1. This one 10.10.1.2. This side 20.20.1.1. Now the IP configuration is completed. Now I check the connection between each PC. First I check the local area network 1. Second PC, go to the desktop, command prompt. I check the connection between this PC and this PC. Received reply with 0 loss. Then I check connection between this PC and second PC of the local area network 2. 2.3. It shows destination host unreachable. Loss is 100%. The reason is we didn't configure the dynamic routing protocol. Now let's do the configuration. Go to the router on configuration, RIP. I add all the networks to the list, including on network 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, and the 6.0. I added all local area networks. Then we have to add these IP addresses. Router 1 is connected with this router and this router. I add those two, 10.10.1.0 network and 60.60.1.0 network. Now I check the connection between local area network 1 and 2. The same PC is still, it gives destination of unreachable. We have to configure all the routers. Go to the router 2, RIP. I add all networks. That one is connected with 10.10.1.0 network and 20.20.1.0 network. The last router. I had all networks. Router network. Router network. 6.6.1.0. Now I check the connections. It required some time to establish the connection properly. The first time it received 3 reply with the 20% loss. Then I check again. It doesn't have any losses. Now I check the connection between local area network 1 and 5. 5.2. It also required sometimes. And the second time, no loss. Zero loss. First time 25% loss. Second time 0 loss. I think you got an idea about how to do the dynamic routing protocol for a large network. In this video, I explained how to do that one using 6 local area networks. Thank you.